Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to tackle under the sink in my primary bathroom. So let's get started. So as you can see, it is a hot mess. I have a towel down there. I have things thrown in the back. I just have containers in there of all different sizes. So I need to just take everything out and start over. Now that everything's out, it's time to clean. There's just a lot of hair and just makeup products underneath there, so I just need to get that cleaned out so I can start with a fresh, clean slate. So does under your sink look like this? Mine is a mess. Let me go through this mess and sort through everything. So I thought I'd go ahead and put a shelf liner underneath here. I honestly hate to line shelves, all the measuring and cutting. I know there's an easier way to do this, but I haven't figured it out yet. In the meantime, I'm going to do it the way that I normally do it. If you have a better way to do it, please let me know in the comment section below. I'd appreciate it. So now it's time to get organized. I already had these two black shells and I'm going to reuse these because I always like to reuse things that I already have. This container right here that I keep my daily supplies, it has my facial soap and toothpaste and things I use in the morning and night. Then I bought this container below from Amazon and I use that to hold all my makeup, and so far that's been working out pretty well. I've used this black bag for hair supplies and it's okay, but I think I want to find something a little bit better. If you like what you've seen so far, please subscribe and like my channel, and also turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. How many shampoos do you have? I have quite a few, but they all serve a different purpose. Leave me a comment below and let me know. So I decided to use this big white tub to hold all my extra supplies that I have when I buy in bulk. So I decided if I put everything in there, I can just store it in the back and pull it out whenever I need it. Be sure to stay tuned till the end so you can see the labels that I made for the containers that I made by myself. So it's a little dark under the cabinet, so I decided to try these puck lights that you just press on, and it's supposed to give a really bright light. I've heard really good things about them, and I got them from the Dollar Tree. I had to go put my glasses on back because I couldn't even see the plus or minus sign for the battery. So that's how bright they are, and they look like they're gonna work quite well. I'm gonna stick one on each side to light up the under sink, and I think that will be a game changer. So I wanted to label my containers, and anytime I need to make sure I get something in a straight line, I decided to use tape, and I put the tape on first and then I put the labels on. So here is the big reveal. I absolutely love how this turned out. The lights made it nice and bright so I can see everything I have underneath there. The labels that I made on my own and attached with some packing tape worked out just perfectly, so every container was identified. I am so happy with this new transformation. It should make things a lot easier for me, and I'm going to link some other videos here, and until I see you again, hugs and love. Bye.